Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we've got a big announcement for Crypto.com coin. There's actually been a delisting from a major exchange, but is this a bad thing for CRO, or could this turn out to be actually quite a good thing? I'm going to tell you what I think here in today's video, what the impact of this delisting for CRO coin could mean for the future of Crypto.com. Guys, there has been so much FUD in the market. People have been panicking about exchange tokens, but we have been holding strong here as a part of the Crypto.com, the CRONOS community. Smash up the like button, CRO fam. I got some other stories for you I want to go over here today, share with you some of my thoughts here in the current market, where we're at. So let's hop into the content. Before we do, make sure you smash up the like button. Subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day, and when we do hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So you don't want to miss out on that. Guys, the market is just holding strong at an $831 billion market cap. Bitcoin and Ethereum, same price for my last 4 videos. It is just sitting right at the 16.5K mark for Bitcoin, $1,200 for Ethereum. But we're looking at CRONOS, which is currently sitting at rank number 29, trying to climb its way back up to the 25 rank where it has been before. And looking at the price right now, we're still looking good, guys. Some potentially bad news came out for CRO today, but look at the market. It's just holding pretty strong, trading sideways. We are coming into the FIFA World Cup, which could be a very bullish event for Crypto.com, being the exclusive crypto sponsor for the World Cup in Qatar. So we're very excited about that. But upon some good news and this good event coming up, we have some bad news. Huobi Global, as a part of our continuous efforts to promote the healthy development of the blockchain ecosystem, Huobi will be ceasing trading of KOVA, CMVX, CRO, DGD, EKO, lists a lot of tokens here, including VVS, which is one of the largest protocols on the CRONOS ecosystem. So guys, if you like CRO and you like VVS, maybe you saw this news today and it spooked you a little bit, but I'm not very afraid, and here is why. First of all, looking at this tweet, there's quite a few tokens that they talk about on this, but let's look at some of the feedback. First comment, CRO fan, CRO, joke, Chef Binance say to do it. People are speculating that CZ and Binance are telling other exchanges to delist it. I don't know if I believe that conspiracy. Other folks that like CRONOS are saying, who's Huobi, as if, hey, this doesn't even matter. This doesn't affect me at all. This is non-news to me, is what some of these folks are saying. Now, other folks are saying, is this real? Is Huobi insolvent? This is causing people to have concerns whether or not Huobi's insolvent now, which I don't believe that it is. I mean, it certainly could be, but very strange that they are delisting this token. What's the need to delist if you hold one-to-one? Take fees and enjoy, or are you troubled? It's very, very weird that they are delisting. Like, I don't understand why. The only explanation is that they're trying to get less exposure to their competitors' exchange tokens. Huobi is currently ranked number 55 in coin market cap versus CRONOS is 29. Maybe they're just trying to compete with the exchange token. But honestly, I don't know if that's a good move. They're just going to lose volume. Anybody that's holding CRO on their platform is just going to move that CRO over to the CRONOS ecosystem, probably lock it up in DeFi, and I'll talk about that more in a minute. But look at this. Look at the support in the community. Guys, smash the like button for the support in the CRO fam not panicking. Hashtag CRO fam. This is going to help us. Don't fret. Less bad actors tied to us, the better. Folks speculating Huobi's a bad actor. I'm not saying that. I don't believe that at all. I want all crypto exchanges to succeed that are healthy at this point. If an exchange is doing something right, they're just taking fees, they're holding one-to-one. I want crypto exchanges to stay in competition of each other. But this is strange, seeing that Huobi is essentially attacking Crypto.com by doing this delisting. But I think this attack is backfiring. Look, interesting. One of these does not seem like the others. CRO has been consolidating for the last few days now. Makes me wonder if we saw what Gemini will happen to Crypto.com. So this folk, he thinks, maybe this is bearish for CRO. I disagree. I disagree. But if you look at the majority of these tweets, BTW, look at the World Cup, you will see some CRO. Folks love CRO. Look at all the support. CRO is the best. You're just scared of competition. Always afraid of your competitors. That's why you're delisting CRO. This is why CRO. Everybody's upset. That is CZ clearly trying to sabotage CRO, says MPJ Snipe God. Guys, people are looking at this under a magnifying glass right now, and they've got their eyes on exchanges and the decisions that they're making. And this is a very interesting choice. I just don't quite understand why they're doing it outside of the fact that they're trying to hurt the competition. And I think there's just battling going on from exchanges to exchanges. I don't like exchanges battling. I think, they have to compete, but let's compete without trying to drop other coins to zero. I think smash up the like button if you agree. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts. What do you think about this Huobi listing here, delisting? Maybe it has something to do with this. Maybe they're limiting their exposure to exchange tokens overall, because former Huobi linked entity says it had 18.1 million stuck on FTX. Are other folks at Huobi, did they lose a lot of money because of FTX? Are they trying to minimize their exposure because they're fearful for themselves? That might just be what this is. Maybe, the community speaks up loud enough, they might relist it. One thing I want to show you guys is this really isn't that big of a deal for CRONOS, though, because when you look at the exchanges where crypto.com is being traded, the top 6 spots where it's being traded is, first of all, Coinbase is a huge spot where it's being traded. But when you look at all the markets, there are so many exchanges that it's on: Bittrex, KuCoin, BitThumb. It's on SushiSwap. It's on Uniswap, OKX. You can see Huobi here. But also Crypto.com Exchange also offers it. And I really do believe that if folks like CRO, and I know, look at how strong our CRO community is, they're going to leave Huobi if they're holding CRO there. And maybe this even might hurt people that like CRO and hold other tokens on there. And they might actually move it over to the Crypto.com exchange if they offer the same tokens. So this could help the Crypto.com exchange climb, honestly, because this is a very negative story for Huobi to come out and do. I don't really love it for Huobi. I call it Huobi. I don't know why. It's wrong. So, guys, going to be very, very interesting to see how this all pans out. But wanted to share this with you guys. Huge delisting. Honestly, though, I'm not scared at all. Kind of makes me bullish. Because at the end of the day, take it from the man himself, CZ, the more successful you are, the more people FUD about you, says CZ. FUD makes you stronger, not weaker. And that's exactly what I see this is. This is a good story, a big story, not necessarily a good story, a big story that everybody in the CRO community is going to be talking about. You saw all the responses to these tweets from Huobi. Guys, the CRO community is speaking up aggressively against this. Don't make a joke. Crypto.com is far better than you guys. Look, everybody's supporting CRO. People are bashing Huobi. This is a bad story and good press for CRO. Honestly, it sounds crazy, but the more FUD you get, the more it makes you stronger. So we're going to have to see how this happens, folks. Very, very interesting. Keep in mind, guys, Binance and CZ, they own CoinMarketCap. So they do run the show here, and they have a lot of sway. There's a chance that maybe CZ, is talking to Huobi. I don't really know. I mean, we're going to have a lot of stories coming out about this. Let me know what you think in the comments down below about that right there. But one thought I had that I want to share with you guys is if there are outflows from Huobi and people have their CRO coins in there, which, by the way, there's a big movement right now to move your exchange, your tokens out of exchanges into DeFi. Well, what better way to do it than to go into the CRONOS ecosystem if you have your CRO coins on Huobi and move them over to the CRONOS ecosystem and then lock them up and earn 11 point something% by staking on the crypto.org chain. Guys, that is what I think might happen. I would not be surprised if we see the CRONOS chain start to climb on the news of this Huobi delisting CRO coin, because as the people take their money off the Huobi exchange and move it somewhere else, they might move it to CRONOS and they might stake it up, and we could see the amount of total value locked up in CRONOS climb on account of this news. So I like to see that. And keep in mind, guys, on top of the bad news of this Huobi delisting, we've got the biggest event in the world going on with 5 billion plus users watching the FIFA World Cup, and Crypto.com is the sponsor. They've got this awesome giveaway going. They're going to do some free upgrades to Obsidian cards for people that sign up. Very, very cool. And don't forget that they have this NFT thing going on where they're going to be doing all these NFTs, and they have the hashtag impossible challenge. There's so many things going on, and they got so much free advertising with all this FUD. And at the end of the day, folks, you and I both know that FUD makes you stronger. We have seen this Crypto.com community rally. I am looking at buying a loaded lion here very, very soon. I'm very excited to show you guys the loaded lion that I got my eyes on. It's coming. We're doing it. We're doubling down. We're tripling down here at the Crypto Report on the beautiful exchange that is crypto.com. Chris Marsliak and the team, it's only a matter of time before they prove the folks in the crypto community that have been fudding them wrong. It's only a matter of time before we hit a $1 CRO coin in the future. I saw you guys all in the poll that we put out on YouTube. Smash up the like button if you guys are buying more CRO. Smash up the like button if you guys are DCAing. That's what I got for you today. Don't be scared, folks, when it comes to a Huobi delisting. Don't worry about it. I'm not worried about it at all. I think this is a good thing for CRO, but let me know what you think down below. That's all I got. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button. Subscribe to the channel. We do 4 videos every single day. And as always, guys, you've got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check us out. Also, make sure you check out our Patreon in the link in the description down below. We're starting a CRO community, and we're going to be talking about a lot more other than just CRO. All things crypto, NFTs, Bitcoin, ETH, you name it. Let's go crypto. Let's go CRO. Peace.